Hi, I'm Chris Cooper from Norfolk Yacht Agency, and this is Motor Cruiser Young at Heart 1997 Hardy Seawings 305, fitted with twin Volvo CAD 32s. They're 170 horsepower, 4-cylinder diesel engines. Let's take you aboard. So there's a view from the helm. Canvas covered hatch above the helm and navigator seat. Good size double seat there. Well laid out helm position, actually, everything to hand. Water helm radar, speed and depth log. Dashboard switches, L trim tab controls, throttles and outdrive trim controls, power thruster control, and VHF, and emergency fuel shutoffs. Spotlight control, and windscreen demisters on the cold. Nice U-shaped seating in the off cockpit. Nice sociable space. The table drops, actually, that drops into the gap there, and there's a cushion that sits on top, turns it into a sun pad. For those nice warm summer days. Teak cockpit floor and a cockpit fridge there. Heating outlet into the cockpit, and that's the control there for the inverter. Big circular seating area in the forward end of a 305. Again, the table drops into the gap. There's a cushion that sits on the top, turns it into a very large berth. More high gloss interior in here. The woodwork's very good. There's no obvious damage or marks. In very nice condition. There's also fixed windows, which is unusual in a sports cruiser. They're opening windows as well. Linings are in very good condition. There's the mid cabin. Oh, a nice decent berth this. And various cushions there, which are infill cushions for the forward berth, and then there's even some cushions tucked up there for the sun pad. Shore power supply and the stereo in there. Good locker space. Even a couple of little drawers below. Toilet compartment. It's a toilet and shower compartment. The shower pulls up from the centre of the tap there, and it's quite a good shower tray. So, galley wise, we've got smev oven and grill, 3 burner hob, reasonable amount of workspace and a sink, and we have an isotherm fridge in here as well.